we divide 778 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 778 divided by 2 is 389. So this much for today and thanks for watching.